We often think that productivity is about what we add to our lives, new courses, new apps, more coffee, but neuroscience tells us that the most powerful growth often starts with elimination, with eliminating those daily habits that secretly drain your mental energy and lower your cognitive performance. Today, a data-driven breakdown of 7 of the biggest culprits and the exact protocol to fix them. 1. Morning scrolling. After sleep, your brain has a steady baseline of dopamine, the neurotransmitter for motivation and focus. By checking social media first thing in the morning, you get a powerful, unearned hit of dopamine. In response, your brain downregulates its dopamine receptors. For the rest of the day, you're left with a dulled ability to concentrate on important, but less flashy, tasks. You're spending your mental energy on other people's lives, and you have none left for your own. The fix: the digital sunrise. First 60 to 90 minutes of your day, no passive scrolling, only active, focused work. 2. Multitasking. Your brain doesn't do multiple tasks at once, it rapidly switches between them. Each switch comes with a cognitive tax, a loss of time and energy as your brain refocuses. This can reduce your effectiveness by up to 40% and increase mistakes. You're not working, you're creating the illusion of work while draining your mental fuel. The fix: time blocking. Schedule specific slots for checking email 2 to 3 times a day. Instead of doing it constantly, use techniques like the Pomodoro method: 25 to 50 minutes of deep work. 3. Inconsistent sleep. It's not just about 8 hours, it's about timing. Light from screens and late nights shift your circadian rhythm. This ruins the quality of your deep and REM sleep, the phases where your brain cleans out toxins and consolidates memory. Poor sleep means a toxic, slower functioning brain. The fix: sleep schedule defense. Get to bed and wake up at the same time, even on weekends. No screens 1 hour before sleep. 4. Physical inactivity. A sedentary lifestyle isn't just bad for your back, it reduces cerebral blood flow, the blood supply to your brain. Less blood means less oxygen and glucose, which means less energy for your neurons. Even a 10-minute walk can boost blood flow and sharpen your cognition. The fix: microactivity. 10 to 15 minutes of walking or light exercise daily. Aim for 150 minutes of moderate activity per week. 5. Chronic stress. Cortisol is the stress hormone. In small amounts, it's helpful, but chronic stress keeps your cortisol levels high. This disrupts your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for focus, planning, and decision-making. You literally cannot think clearly. The fix: stress reset breathing. The box breathing technique. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4, repeat 3 to 5 times. This physically activates your parasympathetic nervous system, responsible for rest and digestion. 6. Poor nutrition. High sugar, processed food, and trans fats cause inflammation in your body, including your brain. This impacts neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to learn and form new connections. That brain fog you feel after junk food isn't in your head, it's in your biochemistry. The fix: intentional nutrition. Cut down on sugar and processed foods, add omega-3s, fatty fish, walnuts, and leafy greens to your diet.